What's up, guys? Back here with another video today. Anyways, we just got this new car that I had found sitting on the side of the streets. It was just sitting there, so I didn't technically steal it. I borrowed it because my friend, it was just sitting in his yard, just being wrecked and stuff. And as you see, we're at the Los Santos Customs. I just went in there and fixed it up a little. I didn't upgrade anything, but that's what we're about to do. And we're about to drive it for a little while as Michael. Yes, we do have a lot of money. Anyways, I think I have one of these in my garage that's purple. The reason why it's in my garage is because I'm the same reason as this. That purple car that I'm talking about was sitting in his yard for longer than this one. That one was sitting there for about 10 years. This one's only been sitting there for like 5 or 6. So, they're close, but not as long. And so, I'm gonna upgrade it some. Yeah, just let me know what y'all think looks best. I kind of like that right there. I'm gonna go with that. Okay, so I make it look nice and sharp because we're gonna go back by his house later to see how he's doing and everything. I'm gonna get the last girl because I don't know why, I just like the last girl. I'm gonna get that because it's, yeah. Blue headlights. I'm not gonna get a neon kit because I don't like it. It's just stupid. Can we do matte blue or metal gold or metallic? This color was a doo-doo brown when I got it. It was like really dark brown and rusty. Ooh, that kind of looks good. I like that. Okay, if you go to Typical Gamer on YouTube right now, and you see his car that he bought in episode, I think 6 or 7. He uses the midnight blue. I mean, like, it's like the best looking color they got. I'm not saying any other color looks good on a car, but this, like, specs out the cars. Like, you can sit in the dark without anybody noticing you or anything. This is going to be a sports car, so I'll put turbo on it. Wheels, high end, no, we want to put sport. Because it's a sport car, and if it's a sport car, I kind of want to put sport rims on it and everything. So, midnight blue. Yeah, there we go. Get that, get that. I'm actually going to go for black because the blue is, I don't know how to say it. Anyways, the blue for this one is like a really light blue, and you can't really, it's like it don't show the color that you want it to. That's why I wish they had like the specific colors for it and everything. So that way you could have specific. I mean, this thing looks nice. Dang. Kind of wish I could drive this every day. Here, let me undo something back. Hold on. Here, let me turn the radio off. scratched up my new car.
Look out!
Well, I'm gonna have to replace the bumper. I'm gonna have to replace the. Oh my god! I'm gonna have to repaint this thing. It ain't even dried off yet. Already got scratches and everything. I'm pretty sure this is a Nissan in real life.
Forgive me!
Did y'all see that? That bike made me that. Bro, what's this dude doing?
Oh, are we finished?
Messing me, bro? Messing me, bro? You don't messing me like that?
That's something new.
Oh, we got the custom red leather seats and everything. Anyways, guys, let's try to hit at least 4 to 5 subscribers. Yeah, I know that I'm just now saying this because I want y'all to up me up on YouTube. Because I've already had YouTube notifications coming through my Gmail and stuff from this account and everything. I have 2 more accounts that I could film on, but I don't. So, that being said, I wish y'all guys could put me up a few more subscribers so that they would notice me more. Anyways, guys, I'm going to show y'all the car that I was talking about. It's purple. And most of the cars that I get my stuff from just sits here. And it's all from that dude's garage. Or that dude's house. So look, I have the Lamborghini, which I bought for about, let's see, how much, okay, I can't put my phone up. Anyways, I bought this for about, I think, 270K. Yeah, that's the Joker car. That's my Joker Lamborghini right there. Anyways, this is the baller car. This is the one and only baller that I could find. And as soon as I bought it and then went back on to try to get another one, this one I bought and paid for. I did not get this from my friend, and I think I paid like maybe 27 grand. Anyways, this car in real life is a Cadillac Escalade. This car in real life is obviously a Lamborghini. I don't know what that is. This is a Mitsubishi. How do you say it? Mitsubishi, however you say it. What is it? Mitsubishi what? That car that I told you I wanted earlier? Oh, I don't remember what it's called. But I want this car in real life. Look at it. It's Eclipse. Yeah. See that? Look, you can see that the logo is close to the, yeah. That's a Harley Davidson. That's a Harley Davidson. I don't know why it has the Lost logo on it. I don't like the Lost. Anyways. Those 2 came from the junkyard. These 2 I paid for. Actually, it was a different game. It was this same game, but it was a different account that I had the purple car on. I thought I had it in this one. Actually, no. I know. It was my old account. Did you repair my car? It did. They fixed it. How? I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go see our rich friend up in Beverly Hills, aka Rockford Hills. Oh yeah, that thing looks beautiful.
Hey, remember me and Mama? Hola. You know you're right.
we'll make a legal turn
Hey!
here.
Jesus, why you running? You fucked up last night, right? Hey, man, what's up? Stop. I'm fine. Nah,
Look away!
that ain't the way it is. Jesus, again? No. Get out the fucking way.
Well, you got blood on my car. Oh wait, no, we didn't. Ha! The armor works so well. Oh, I love it. You don't have any cars in here today. Anyways, usually, I know the guy who owns this, he's been my best friend for years. Anyways, he owns this, and he usually sets a car in there for me, to where he says I can have him and stuff. See, this dude is so rich, he has a store, a built-in store over there. It's a cafe. Try not to crash. 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 First person. You can't see out the river mirror whatsoever.
I gotta give you the number of that headshot guy. It's all good.
Oh, that was scary. Oh, my job back on the street. Paul Walker style. Your boy Franklin. Uh-oh. Well, it's not me. Watch them follow me wherever I go. I have a friend that... Did I break over? Oh, I have a headlight out. Anyway. I have a friend that works here too. His name's Jose. Jose is the one I got this car from. Not bought, got. Like he gave it to me because it was just sitting there and not being used. So I decided to take it off on a little off-road trip. Put some dents in it, just a little bit, give it some experience. I'm gonna try to make my YouTube videos at least 20 minutes. One, because I like doing YouTube videos, even though I only have like 3 or 4 up on my channel. It's like the extra hobby. Like after I get home from school or during spring break. During spring break, tomorrow I'm going to be putting on another video. And my birthday, I'm putting in another video. And I might put out 2 or 3 more videos sometime this week. Did you see what I did there? I did a complete circle. I didn't even mean to. How about that? Oh look, there's, ooh. Perfect. See. There's where you go to the concerts and all the meetings, the big meetings and stuff. For like, job meetings, and like, there's like thousands and thousands of people that work there. I'm gonna take this down to the track. There's a Mr. Deer. Hey, Mr. Deer. Does anybody know how Franklin's got that special power? He's able to do that thing when you press the 2 joysticks down. Yeah, well Michael has that, but not for cars. Only for like shooting and stuff. It's like Trevor.
Look out!
Oh! Like I said, I'm gonna put some dents in this thing. If I'm gonna own it, it has to have at least a bumper missing. To the most. To the most. It has to be missing a bumper before I'll get rid of it. Yes, after this, I'm gonna get rid of this car. Not forever. Oh! Bro! I just got wasted. Wow! Oh my god, I didn't even mean to hit the sign. I thought I was gonna live. Evidently not. Anyways. This video might be a little long. Wait, let me see how long it is right now. About 20 minutes. I'm gonna make this one an extra long one. Y'all, look at that BMX bike magically appeared. Long black tears on a river, push on a shelf, don't mean much. Whisper on a shelf,
Hey, you! On the other side of the street! Get back here! Someone stop that guy!
I love doing this. This is my new living. What I do for a living now.